Hi, I'm Frances Krawick, the nurse practitioner here at Preventis Cosmetic Medicine, and today we're going to be talking about Radiesse. Radiesse is an injectable filler that is made of a biodegradable substance that will be naturally reabsorbed by the body. When Radiesse is injected, it recruits the body's own fibroblasts to create a scaffolding under the skin whereby new collagen and elastin can be formed. This filler has the capacity to provide amazing anti-aging results, whereby it improves laxity, wrinkles, and volume in the areas that it has been injected. Skin laxity can be addressed with Radiesse to tighten while improving the texture and the quality of the skin. We can also use Radiesse for volume replacement or for preventing wrinkles, laxity, and texture issues in the future. Radiesse is one of our more unique fillers because it can be injected into most areas of the face, but as well it can be injected to improve laxity in the neck, décolleté, abdomen, buttocks, and legs. During one of the consultations, one of our medical providers will help you set expectation for your treatment with Radiesse according to your goals and expectations. Generally speaking, you will see some changes a few weeks after your first treatment, but continuing to improve up to several months. Treatments are typically done 1 to 3 months apart, depending on your goals and severity of concern. Radiesse has differing treatment times depending on the number of areas that will be treated. Generally speaking, 45 minutes to an hour is a typical treatment time. Similar to other injectable fillers, Radiesse has mild side effects including swelling, the potential for bruising, redness, and some discomfort. Because Radiesse improves collagen, it can be supplemented by other treatments to optimize outcomes. All therapy is one treatment that is a great add-on to Radiesse. All therapy uses ultrasound technology to help to stimulate collagen. When we combine it with Radiesse injections, we allow for the synergism between the two treatments to optimize collagen development, thereby improving wrinkles, laxity, quality of skin, and texture. Radiesse can be used in combination with hyaluronic acid dermal fillers to improve volume enhancement while also addressing skin laxity, texture, and quality of the skin. If you think that you may be interested in Radiesse or any other of our skin treatments, come and meet our Preventis family. We will help you identify your goals and the best treatments suited for your outcomes.